Alright, I just wanted to make a quick little recording on if you're having the issue where you're not able to run the Oculus Home, where based on the forums and whatever online is that there's an expired certificate affecting all of the Oculus Rift users. There's a temporary workaround that you can do, and that is to set your system clock to a time before the certificate had expired. And the way that you go about doing that is you go down here, go right click on it on the clock, and go to adjust date time, and then you'll see these switches here, set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Just turn that off and then click change here and set some time in the past. The expiration date of the certificate was the 7th, so anything before that, so you know, if they don't get it fixed in the next 2 days or day or whatever, you might have to back it up again. Also, I want to mention that you know, changing your system clock might affect other applications on your computer. It'll also probably affect your Windows updates, so you know, it's at your own risk if you just want to play and that's more important to you right now than getting the latest updates and having everything function correctly with a accurate system clock. Then you just go ahead and hit change, and then you'll have a backdated system clock, and when the certificate compares the date, the expiration date, to the current system date, it'll accept it. So then you can go ahead and first off, before you launch Oculus, you're still going to get the error if you don't restart the service for the OVR. I'll show you how to do that. You go start, just type services, and if we go to Oculus, it's the VR Runtime service. You can just click restart right here. It doesn't take very long, and that should all be that's necessary. And then you can go ahead and launch Oculus. And as you can see, it's loading instead of giving me a runtime error. Taking a little while to load. Okay, and then there is one thing that I wanted to mention, and that is if you go into the settings here and you go underneath the beta tab, turn off the public test and the beta. I've had both of them enabled, and the one thing that I noticed is while they were enabled is that when you wanted to use the touch controller singular pointer finger push button function, that was unable to do so, at least with the Oculus Dash in the Oculus Home of the beta version of the Oculus Home. So I turned those off, and then I restarted. I tested it with a few applications of a few games, and it works fine. And so this is just a temporary workaround. You're welcome to use at your own risk. I just figured that other people may be having the same issues that I was having. So, alright, that's all for now. Thanks. Bye.